Do it again. Do it again. Do it real loud. Can you do a quiet one? Can you do 2 in a row?